Hey everybody, welcome back. Tonight we are welding this triple tree together. In the last video you saw me rethread this and make the two attachments. I could make it together myself, but we're gonna have a special guest.
I'm Tyler.
Do that for us.
I came here to do flip tricks and weld. And I'm all out of flip tricks.
I'm gonna do the top brace first. This is marine grease. I don't know how many ball bearings go in here. I believe it's 22 on the top and 22 on the bottom. That's 12, 21. All right, that's 21, and I'm gonna test it with the cup. That feels pretty good at 21. I believe I can get one more in there. Alright, that's 22. That's perfect. Okay, first I'm going to grease it. This grease is really nice because it holds the ball bearings. There's 2, 16, and the last one is 22. And I'm going to press them just a little. Kind of evenly space them. Alright. Now we can slide this in. Alright. That's perfect. Perfect. Now we just have to put the fork legs in and we should be good to go. Tighten these down. I pulled it off to put the ears on real quick because I'm going to run a traditional headlight. Now I can throw the bars on real quick. For the handlebars, I chose Pro Taper 4-wheeler Raptor bars. They're kind of narrow, like a moped. They're not too wide like a dirt bike, and they have a decent pullback, so they're pretty comfortable. I think they're going to look great on this bike. Now we just gotta do the front wheel. This is the stock spacer and one washer. I'm gonna have to make a adapter for the brake plate, for the brake stop, because this is a disc brake front end. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thank you to Tyler for welding that stem for me. On the next one, we're gonna put on the headlight, maybe get it wired, I don't know, get it running. We'll see what happens. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe.